So the next problem is to report an overdue books, calculating the fine per person based on the number of days overdue and the cost per day, include a total fine column. First, we will select the first name of the person, borrower B at last name P P or PT person type like as person type, and then E that transaction ID. We'll also select book details ID and the borrower. We return date, then we will have the function date per date, return date tayo as alias niya is days overdue. Overdue. Date per date per date it return date on then that's fine naman. Another date date turn date Japon. Balik ra uy. And wala fine amount. Plus nato siya as 0. Fine. And from the table transaction, E. Inner join nato isang borrow details, person details, person type pod. Inner join borrow details. PD on section ID. Calls to BD borrow details ID. Tama. Tama. And inner join person details. PD on is equals to PD person details. Next, inner join some person. E on PD person ID. So be that person ID. Tama. Then inner join tayo nato ang person type PD. PD that person type ID equals to PD person type ID. And then wire clause PD. That's tapos mga overdue na status. Ito yung panglaon. And Dated, 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 date. Date. Hmm? The return date equals or is greater than 0. Order by dahil nato sila. Define amount. Sending na po. Let's see if mo work. And if not, i-delete. Wrong. Doesn't exist. Borrowed it. Oh yeah. Like here. Sorry. The last EPY. It's mali-mali ko. Oh, there's no barber date pala. No, it's just borrow date. Sorry. Mm. Here, what? There's no. There's no. Pag-iran nato ni siya. Nani siya mo gawas. Here, makita ninyo ang person, ang borrow nila, and return date, ng days overdue, ang fine amount, at ang total fine. Wala na to siya. And then we will create view na after that. So, create view. 8 view overdue as. And go para create na dahil tao procedure after this para madali ta. Pisa nato ni. And then, limiter, create procedure, get overdue books, fine. Begin. And then, we end it here. Limiter. That's it. We did. We solved the number 7. Here. Thank you. We already solved problem number 7.